Hey, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
We're going to be talking about a really interesting topic that I think everyone falters at one time or another, and of course, that is confidence.
Yes, well, confidence is quite an interesting dynamic because it's about putting things into action that we feel inside and doing that with clear will, clear intention, being in our center, and also knowing what it is that we actually want to do. So there are quite a few components involved with confidence. And it could be that you have wounds or fears or frailty in one or other of those components. And we want to look at that with you in this workshop and help you so that you can feel more in tune with what you truly want, how you truly want to express yourself, and just have that clear intention and the imagination that you're able to achieve what you set out to do. So, generally, if we're able to do something inwardly, it helps us a lot to be able to engage in the outer expression of it.
Yes, and it's also within this workshop, we want you to essentially connect to yourself and your truth so that you can actually understand who you are and breathe a lot of faith into that, a lot of self belief. A lot of that will help you, you know. Through the meditative process, a lot of healing about self acceptance and self acceptance can help you so much with confidence because it's that whole thing about believing on who you are and what you want to do. And, maybe perhaps not taking yourself too seriously. I mean, life is a journey, and sometimes a detour here and there is not a bad thing. Isn't that right, Paul?
Yes, and I agree with what you say very much, Dee, because a lot of this is about our self beliefs, the beliefs that we have about ourselves. And this can come, what we believe about ourselves can be infiltrated from parents, what people have told us, what things we've decided about ourselves, which might be quite false and might be somehow not truly honoring who we are. So, yes, we do need to sort out about our inner belief system so that what we believe inside can be in tune with what we truly want. And that will help us action that with confidence as well.
Yes, so this workshop is titled I Am Confidence, and it's going to be on this Sunday evening for our Australian participants and this Sunday morning for those joining us in the UK. We really are excited about this one. We know it's something that a lot of people have asked us for, something that people genuinely struggle with. So we really are very excited to share it.
We are. I had to put on my other hat for this video and couldn't find the other one. And I know that it got wet yesterday when I got in the rain. So anyway, I hope this hat will be acceptable. And it's what I chose with my confidence today to wear.
That's it. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye.